Hello and welcome to Detail in Product, the little mini series for Instagram where we single out one of our favourite products and we're going to tell you what it is, when you're going to use it and how you're going to use it. So today we're going to be focusing on our ultimate waterless wash and wax. So what is it? Essentially it's a cleaning product, but it's missing a few things. You don't have your bucket, you don't have your grit guard or your wash mitt. It's all contained in one trigger spray product. It does actually look like a detailer, but it's bringing way more to the party than just a gloss enhancement. It contains a formula that lubricates the surface, encapsulates the dirt and grime, and makes it perfectly safe when using two towels.
Wow!
Not only is the product going to clean the car safely, it's also going to create a synthetic barrier to give it wax protection that lasts a few weeks. So, when are you going to use this product? Well, typically when you don't have access to water. This could be in an apartment building, in a garage, or at a car show, or as maintenance between washes. So, how are you going to use the ultimate waterless wash and wax? Firstly, saturate the panel with the product, then grab two of our Supreme Shine microfiber towels. With the first towel, wipe in one direction to remove the dirt and grime. Then with the second towel, buff in the opposite direction. This is going to give you a streak-free finish. So a little extra note, if the car's really dirty and looks like it needs a proper wash that does include snow foam, wheel cleaner, grit guard, bucket and wash mitt, then give it a proper wash. So let's have a recap on our ultimate waterless wash and wax. So what is it? It's a cleaning product. When you're going to use it, in between washes or when you don't have access to water, and how to use it. Make sure you're using two Supreme Shine microfiber towels. And that's it for another episode of Product in Detail. If you want to see more detail in our products, then go to our YouTube channel where you can see a vast array of videos that explain our products in more detail. I've been Dale, and this has been Detail in Product.